What's the meaning of beech? Beech. Beech.
Beech. Beech. Beech is a type of deciduous tree that belongs to the Fagaceae family. It is native to temperate regions of Europe, Asia, and North America and is known for its smooth gray bark and toothed green leaves. The wood of the beech tree is hard, strong, and pale in color, making it a popular choice for furniture, flooring, and veneers. Additionally, beech nuts are a source of food for many animals, including birds and squirrels. In mythology, the beech tree is often associated with learning and knowledge, perhaps due to its hard, durable wood that can be easily carved into writing tablets.